TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday morning, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory, but off the highs we had pre-market. Right now, the S&P is up about 12 points at 34.34. You see the chart I have up here. Quite the acceleration we had yesterday, spiking to a low of 34.10. You started the day off at above 34.90. You're talking about 80 plus 80 S&P points to the downside. The market claws back 40 of those points by 6:30 a.m. this morning. Since then, we've had a little bit of selling pressure. 34.33, still up about 11 points technically on the session in the S&Ps. NQ futures up about 19. We were as low as 11,591 last night, currently within about 100 points of that level, 11,672. The Dow up 93 points, 28,193. We were above 28,300 briefly. Jumping to commodities, gold contract, negative $4 at 19.07. Silver up 6 pennies at 24.76. The oil contract down 27 cents at $40.80. Jumping to notes and bonds, the 10-year right now negative by about 5 ticks at 138.24. That 10-year yield sitting just under 0.8%, 0.787%, 0.787%. The yield on the 10-year at 138.24. The 30-year off 24 ticks at 173.24. And we'll jump to the VIX, getting an elevated VIX with a little bit of volatility to the downside. You see it, 8 a.m. we were trading 28.40. Currently 28.86, almost made it to 30 yesterday as the market sold off for most of the trading session. All right, what else we got going on? We got earnings season in full swing. Jumping to some of the companies with numbers, IBM is trading lower. Third straight quarter of revenue declines. Jumping to IBM shares, been a bit of a struggle. There's your trade lower from 125.50. We're at about 121 right now in IBM. Procter & Gamble trading higher from 141.91. We're up to almost 144. Procter & Gamble, sales jumped 9% and raises forecast amid strong demand. And you want to talk about strong demand. How about Logitech? You want to see some strong demand, folks? It expects annual sales to increase between 35 to 40% in constant currencies, up from a previous view of 10 to 13%. And there's what you see, up about $12 from 80 to 92.76. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento is coming up live next with Trade What You See, live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back.